Experience the allure of Stockholm, where Scandinavian chic meets architectural grandeur. This vibrant Swedish capital beckons with its picturesque cobbled streets, stunning architecture, and Art Nouveau charm. Nicknamed the Venice of the North, this watery wonderland boasts 14 interconnected islands linked by 50 bridges. Explore Europe's best-preserved medieval centre in Gamla Stan, or unwind in vast green spaces that make Stockholm one of the healthiest cities in the world. Get ready to explore Stockholm in an unforgettable journey through time and culture. Start your tour with a visit to Gamla Stan, Stockholm's charming old town. Dating back to the 1200s, this island neighbourhood is like stepping into a living museum, with cobblestone streets, colourful architecture, and cosy cafes at every turn. From must-see landmarks like the Royal Palace and Storkyrkan Cathedral to narrow alleyways and bustling squares, there's something captivating around every corner. Join a guided walking tour for an in-depth exploration, or simply soak in the ambience while enjoying Nordic cuisine at local eateries. Next, explore Djurgården, an island oasis right next to Stockholm's city centre. Accessible by various forms of transportation, it's a green paradise perfect for biking, walking, or having a picnic. But Djurgården isn't just about nature. It's a hub of activity with top attractions like Rosendal's Garden, Skansen, and the Vasa Museum. Plus, there are 21 other museums to explore, including one dedicated to ABBA. After sightseeing, unwind along coastal pathways or enjoy a meal at one of the island's cosy eateries. Next, explore Stockholm's islands on a lively sightseeing boat tour. With 14 different islands making up the city, hopping on a boat is the best way to see it all. During the summer, Stockholm's waterways are bustling with boats, offering locals and visitors a unique way to commute and explore. Private tour companies give you a chance to see the city's main attractions and even venture out to the archipelago. Plus, with hop-on, hop-off options, you can explore at your own pace. Next, if you're a fan of ABBA, visit ABBA The Museum, located near Gröna Lund on Djurgården. This interactive museum is a tribute to the iconic pop band ABBA, and it's a must-visit if you're a fan of their music. Opened in 2013 on Djurgården, it's packed with cool features and memorabilia. You can even try on their famous outfits and sing along with digital versions of the band members. Plus, don't miss out on the chance to see Benny's self-playing piano. Next, visit the remarkable Vasa Museum in Stockholm, home to the legendary Vasa warship. Similar to the Titanic, the Vasa sank on its maiden voyage in 1628 and lay underwater for 300 years before being salvaged. Today, it's the only almost intact 17th century sailing ship in the world. The museum is Scandinavia's most visited and showcases not only the Vasa, but also exhibits on maritime history and other ships. Next, visit Skansen, the world's oldest open-air museum, nestled on Djurgården Island. Perfect for families and history enthusiasts, Skansen offers a captivating glimpse into Swedish culture spanning 5 centuries. Wander through 150 historical homes and farmsteads transported from across Sweden, complete with period-clad interpreters showcasing traditional activities. Encounter Scandinavian wildlife at Stockholm's only zoo, housing native species like brown bears and wolverines. Don't forget to refuel at one of the 5 dining options and enjoy picturesque views of Stockholm. Next, explore the regal splendour of Stockholm Palace, where Swedish royals hold court. Though King Carl XVI, Gustaf, and Queen Sylvia reside at Drottningholm Palace, this grand edifice, completed in 1754, dazzles visitors with its Baroque architecture and over 600 rooms. While touring the royal apartments, marvel at historic treasures like Queen Christina's silver throne and discover Swedish history at the Museum of Antiquities. Next, visit Fotografiska, a must-visit for art and food enthusiasts. Located at Stadsgårdshamnen, this former customs house is now a hub for contemporary photography and gourmet dining. Unlike traditional museums, Fotografiska doesn't have permanent exhibits. Instead, it hosts a dynamic mix of temporary photography exhibitions, featuring both emerging talents and international stars like Annie Leibovitz. From portraits to landscapes, the museum showcases diverse styles and subjects. Plus, you can enjoy stunning views of Stockholm from its top floor while savouring Michelin-starred cuisine. Next, explore Storkyrkan, Stockholm's oldest church nestled in the charming Gamla Stan district. Also known as the Great Church or Stockholm's Domkyrka, this medieval marvel dates back to the 13th century. It's witnessed centuries of history, hosting royal weddings and even parliamentary ceremonies. With its brick-pillared vaulted ceiling and Baroque embellishments, Storkyrkan exudes timeless beauty. Visitors of all backgrounds are welcome to enjoy audio tours and marvel at iconic treasures like the Parhelion painting and the wooden sculpture of St. George battling the dragon. Next, visit the Nobel Prize Museum, a hidden gem celebrating excellence. Housed in the former Stock Exchange building, this museum is a tribute to human achievement. Learn about the origins of the Nobel Prize, its illustrious winners, and the visionary behind it all, Alfred Nobel. Explore fascinating exhibits featuring donated items from Nobel laureates and immersive displays of their remarkable journeys. And don't forget to grab a unique souvenir from the gift shop, like a gold medal made of fair trade dark chocolate. Next, visit the historic City Hall, a true gem on Stockholm's waterfront. Adorned with 3 golden crowns, it's an iconic symbol of the city. Built in 1923, this architectural marvel hosts not just offices but also stunning assembly rooms and artworks. And guess what? It's where the Nobel banquets happen. Imagine dining in the Grand Blahallen or the Blue Hall before stepping into the opulent Gillene Salen or the Golden Hall, adorned with a staggering 18 million mosaics for the formal ball. Next, for those who crave breathtaking cityscapes, Monteliusvagen is a must-visit in Stockholm. This charming cobblestone path, less than half a mile long, sits atop Södermalm's cliffs, offering panoramic views of the city skyline, Lake Mälaren, and Riddarholmen. It's even close to City Hall, where Nobel Prize ceremonies are held. Södermalm itself is like New York City's Soho, filled with trendy shops, art galleries, and eateries. And if you're hungry for more vistas, just a mile away lies the Fjällgatan viewpoint, overlooking Fotografiska. Next, visit the iconic Stockholm Globe Arena, also known as the Ericsson Globe. Standing proud as the world's largest spherical building, it's a sight to behold. But what makes it truly special is the SkyView experience. Glass elevators whisk you up the outer surface to a staggering 130 meters above street level. From there, you're treated to jaw-dropping views of the cityscape. And if you time it right, sunset adds an extra touch of magic to this unforgettable experience. Next, experience Sweden's unique right to roam culture, known as Allemansrätten. One of its manifestations is the Royal National City Park, a sprawling green oasis spanning 6 miles and encompassing 3 royal parks. It's a haven for both locals and tourists, offering a retreat into nature within the city limits. With diverse wildlife, historic sites, and plenty of outdoor activities like hiking and swimming, it's hard to believe you're in the heart of a bustling capital. Finally, step back in time to medieval Europe at the Museum of Medieval Stockholm, Medeltidsmuseet. Located near the Royal Palace, this museum stands atop an actual excavation site, revealing treasures from centuries past. As our travel adventures in Stockholm come to a close, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep making unforgettable memories. That's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. Please share this video with your friends who love exciting travel experiences.